Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well by God's grace. So today I have here my coconut. So I will be making coconut oil today using all this coconut. So I will be showing you how you can make your coconut oil for your hair and also for your skin if you want. It's a great moisturizer. So you have already wash this, so I'm just going to be blending it just little by little because this is going to be too much work. So now I just cut it. As you can see, I'm just going to be cutting it into little pieces like this so that it can be easy to blend. Because of the blender you need to cut it so that you will not spoil your blender. Okay, so to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for always coming back to watch my new video. I really do appreciate you all. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Thank you for clicking and watching this video. So the next thing, I'm going to transfer this inside my blender. So I will just add some water to it to help with the blending process. So after that, I'm just going to start blending it just as you can see. So guys, this is the last one because I've done everything off camera, so I just want to show you this last one. Okay, so just make sure that you blend it very smooth so that you will not be blending it again. So I just blend it once and it's very smooth. So now I'm going to pour it inside my bowl. So I have, this is the coconut water. When you, after blending, you have to transfer it to a bowl or anything you have and start straining it like this with your strainer. So I have there my bucket. So as you can see, so I will just be taking the coconut water and pouring it inside my strainer. Then I will use my hand to press out the water of the coconut oil. That is where the oil is. So I'll just use my hand to press it out just as you can see me doing right now. So after pressing out the juice, I got two baskets of this coconut oil and water. So this is the first one. As you can see, they have water and coconut oil in there. So this is the one that I pressed before off camera. As you can see how they are looking like now. So right now I'm going to put the both of them inside my fridge and allow it to sit overnight so that the oil can separate from the water. So I'm going to put them in the fridge. So guys, here is the next day. So I'm just going to show you how this coconut oil is going right now. So I'll just open the bucket, then I will show you guys how it's looking like. This is so so good, guys. It's really fun making this at home. So as you can see how it's looking like, the oil is on top while the water is below the basket. So this is the water. As you can see, the water, there's nothing like oil in the water anymore, because the oil cake, as you can see, they get solid because I put it inside the fridge. So I will just be using my spoon now to take out the oil and place it in my pot. So guys, this is one bucket of coconut oil. So I'm just going to put this in the pot, in the gas, then I will cook it. That is where we go and cook it so we can get the oil. So here is the second bucket. As you can see, this one also gets solid and the water is below while the oil is on top. So now I put this one on the gas. So as you can see, it started melting. This is going to take a very long time to cook, about an hour or two before you can get to where the oil is. Just have patience whenever you are making your coconut oil at home. So guys, this is how it's looking. I'll just allow it to cook, then I will come back to show you guys how it's going. So guys, I decided to just cook both the two buckets at the same time instead of me to be cooking them separate. So I decided to use a bigger pot. So that is why you are seeing this pot right here. So I have the two uh, uh, um, um, coconut oil, the two from the two baskets, inside from the two buckets inside this pot right here. So as you can see, the oil is floating on top and there is still more oil, guys. So when your is like this, when your oil is like this, guys, then your coconut oil is ready. As you can see, there's no more water on top of the oil, it's just oil, as you can see. And this and the under, there's no more water. So I'm just going to just off my gas now, so we can go and strain out the coconut oil. So as you can see, it's very easy and also very simple to put together to make your coconut oil at all. So it's not really that hard at all. So this coconut was given to me by my friend. So she have an Africa shop where they say African food extension and anything you want for Africa. So she just made this plenty of coconut oil, so coconut guys. So I decided to use it to make coconut oil because it's really many and I cannot even finish it if I want to eat it. So I just decided to use it to make this beautiful coconut oil. So now I just bring down my coconut oil. So as you can see, now, I'm just going to start to strain it with my strainer. As you can see, when you want to do this, don't press it, just take it from the pot like so and put it on your strainer. Then don't press it, allow the oils to come out on its own. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and also remember to like this video and comment at the comment section below, share and subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, don't press it because there is still water inside. Don't press it at all, just allow the coconut oil to come out on its own. So guys, here is my coconut oil. So this shaft, I'm going to be cooking it again. I think there's still oil inside, so I'll just put it back to my pot. Then I will cook it for about 30 minutes. Let's see what we can get out of that. So meanwhile, before that is ready, here I have my jug. This is 400 ml of jug. So I'm going to be pressing my coconut oil inside this 400 ml of jug. So I got two of this jug, which is 800 ml of coconut oil that I got from making this my coconut oil at all. It smells so amazing. It's so moisturizing for your hair and for your skin as well. It's so good guys. So that one is filled up, so I'm going to transfer it to the other one. As you can see guys, it's really so easy to make your coconut oil at home. And also thank my friend for giving me this too much of coconut. So I'm so happy that I can be able to just make good use of the coconut that she gave to me. So guys, as you can see, we have our 800 ml worth of coconut oil. If I want to sell this, I think I will just sell it like 15 euro. Oh my god, just like 50 or 10 euros. 400 ml, 10 euro, 20 euro off. Guys, this is a cool business I'm going to start very soon. If you need coconut oil, just call me. I'm going to deliver it to your house. So guys, you can see I'm just going to add more to the other jar. Then here I have my organic Yeah, it's organic, organic coconut oil that I made at home. So I'm so happy that I can be able to put this together, and I got amazing result, guys. So I really like this. It's really so amazing, so beautiful, so moisturizing for the hair and for the skin as well. As you can see, guys, this is the two coconut oil that I got from making this coconut. Okay, so if you like this video, like I said before, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. So it's very easy. If you have any coconut at all, just go and make your coconut oil right now. Don't waste it, don't throw it away. If you don't want to eat it, just use it to make coconut oil, and you're going to enjoy using it for yourself. So this is the one that I said I want to cook, so I've cooked it. So I just put it inside my filter. So this is the oil is still coming out, guys. You can see, just going to allow this to sit there. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all, and I will see you all on my next one by God's grace. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.